I have an announcement to make. Trevor and Allison have fallen in love. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no records of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with truth. Always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always perseveres.
Hey guys, Camcorder's here. There's our beautiful bride. Hi, Uncle. Look. Hi guys. Hi Trevor. Wave.
Smiling. You ready?
Yeah,
Trevor, are you ready to get married?
I am. I just don't have all my stuff yet.
Hey, barefooted.
Always remember that love is a verb. It requires action. It is not just something you feel, it is something you do. Place me like a seal over your heart, like a seal on your arm. For love is as strong as death. It burns like blazing fire. Like a mighty flame, many waters cannot quench love. Rivers cannot wash it away. For the mountains may depart and the hills disappear, but even then I will remain loyal to you. Even then I will love you.
I've had the pleasure of knowing Allison for 24 years. We have been stuck together since birth. I'm going to miss being in the same house with you and having the same last name. I want you to know I have enjoyed so much growing up with you, and you have been such an incredible sister. Our childhood consisted of playing Barbies, playing spies outside, and riding our bikes in Massey neighborhood. I will cherish those memories forever, but I am looking so forward to this next chapter of our lives.
Trevor and Allison, I encourage you to model the love described in these passages. Today and always, let your love for each other come from God.
3, 2, 1. You look so pretty. Oh, you look so pretty. That dress is made for you. It's perfect. Yeah.
Today, Allison got married, and it has been an honor to stand by her side as she did mine.
Marriage is much more than a legally binding contract written on a piece of paper. It is a permanent contract and commitment that is engraved upon your hearts. In covenant, two become one, never to be separated again. It is the merging of hearts. Two beating as one. It is the blending of lives, two becoming one.
Put my ears on. Thought I'd done it right.
Oh,
You look so handsome. What do you think?
You look great. You ready?
Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Are you feeling ready for today? How excited are you to see Trevor?
I'm really excited to see Trevor.
Okay. If you could say one thing to him right now, what would you say?
I'm ready to spend the rest of my life with you, and I love you so much.
Trevor.
The most beautiful bride I've ever seen.
Trevor and Allison have fallen in love. More importantly, they have chosen to love each other unconditionally for the rest of their lives. Such love is unnatural. It's a continual process and requires work and unselfish sacrifice. It demands that Trevor and Allison rely on God's supernatural presence, provision, and power. Stand, please. You're ready to have your breath taken away. Who presents this bride to be married to this man?
Her mother and I.
Trevor, you'll now take Allison's left hand and make this sacred vow to her. You'll repeat after me. I, Trevor, covenant with you, Allison,
I, Trevor, covenant with you, Allison,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
I covenant to love you
I covenant to love you
and to cherish you
and to cherish you
till we are separated by death.
till we're separated by death.
Allison, will you take Trevor's left hand and make this sacred vow to him? I, Allison, covenant with you, Trevor,
I, Allison, covenant with you, Trevor,
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
I covenant to love you
I covenant to love you
and to cherish you
and to cherish you
until we are separated by death.
until we are separated by death.
Trevor, every time you look at this ring on Allison's finger, let it remind you that on June 7th, 2025, you gave this ring to her as a tangible symbol of a spiritual commitment. Allison, every time you look at this ring on Trevor's finger, let it remind you that your love is endless and your commitment is forever.
I believe with all my heart, my love for you is forever. I give this ring to you as my loving wife.
I believe with all my heart that my love for you is forever. I give you this ring as my loving husband.
Trevor and Allison, as you have taken this bread and drink, may your marriage be grounded in this love and sacrifice of Jesus Christ. And I pray that this holy moment will anchor your life together in His grace, His love, and His mercy.
Trevor and Allison, in the presence of God and before family and friends as witnesses, you have committed yourself to each other by covenant. You have sealed your covenant vows by the giving and receiving of rings. Therefore, it is my privilege to pronounce you husband and wife, one in covenant, together in the Lord. What God has joined together in covenant, let no man break apart. Trevor, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to present to you Mr. and Ms. Trevor Wall.
I've seen Allison and Trevor grow together and support each other through thick and thin. If you know Allie and Trevor, you know they are both old souls, and I couldn't have picked a better match. Their love story is a beautiful journey of unending love for each other and the Lord. Trevor, she's yours now.
Me and Trevor's been friends for a while now, and I saw his dad one day. He pulled up in the truck, him and Trevor, and he said, "You're gonna have to help me take care of this boy." Well, I didn't know what a job that was gonna be. The vision that Trevor has for all that's went on here has been pretty amazing. But when he sees something, he knows what he wants and he knows how to make it happen. And I think that's what happened when he saw Allison here. When he first told me about Allison, that smile that he had on his face, I hadn't saw that smile since that day you got your first skid steer. You know, that's a...
You look good. Do I look like Mama? I feel like I look like Mama
I wish you both a lifetime of happiness and endless adventures.
Allison, like your sister said, he's yours now. I don't know how you're going to handle it, but anyway, there he is. So congratulations to you guys. Happy, happy life together. You're perfect for each other.
I hope you have as much fun growing old with her as I did growing up with her.
It's always you, it's always